Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a quick review, swatch, and tutorial on the KKW Beauty Lip Gloss in the particular shade Lust. Now, if you are on their website and you see that it is sold out right now, there is a reason why it is. It's so beautiful. It's described as a sheer pale peach shade, and as you can see, this applicator is super cute and the whole packaging is very monochromatic and beautiful, which I love about KKW Beauty. And here's the swatch of the shade Lust, and it is a high shine gloss that can be worn alone or with your favorite lipstick or lip liner for a smooth and ultra glossy finish. What I like about this lip gloss is it's travel friendly and you get that kind of Kim Kardashian pout if that's what you're looking for. It retails for $18 on their website and you get 0.12 ounces of product. Now, hopefully they'll bring it back by this time that I post this video, but that was my video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, check out my other playlists, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye, guys.